Hi there. In this video you will learn how to convert text to speech writing only 5 lines of code in 60 seconds. Let's get started. First, install this package using the following command. You can also copy it from the description. We are going to import the pyttsx3 module. Now, we are going to initialize pyttsx3 module. We are going to take the input of the text we want to convert to speech. Now, we are going to convert the text to speech, using the say function. At last, we are going to output the speech using the run and wait function. Now, let's run the code. Write a sentence.
Subscribe and like the video.
You can see that it is converted to speech. This is how you can convert text to speech by writing only 5 lines of Python code. Hope you enjoyed the video.